Happy Valentine's Day! It's Friday and I'm actually off today, so I just finished doing my studying. And today we're gonna go just to a coffee shop, have a little sweet treat, drink some tea. Maybe I'm gonna buy myself a little gift, and then tonight we're just gonna have a nice cozy dinner. And I'm just actually feeling so relaxed. I had the best workout this morning. One of my goals for 2025 was to do more strength, because I used to just go and run the treadmill whenever I went to the gym, but now I've been doing strength. However, I only do upper body because I literally don't know what to do to train legs, and like it just seems a bit complicated, so I'm gonna have to do some research before I incorporate that into my workout routine. But so far so good. I love doing this little bar arm workout. I use the 2 kilogram pounds. And by the way, I want to show you guys what I made. So we're actually, like I said, going out, but I just prepped this chia seed blueberry kind of dessert. But I think I'm gonna bring it with me and have it with some tea. And honestly, it's like, if I cannot find a good healthy option, then I'm gonna bring my own. That's fine. You can buy a drink and then just have your own little snack. And that's what I'm gonna do. I don't feel like buying anything from a cafe or stuff. So that's a tip. If you're trying to eat healthy, bring homemade healthy snacks with you. If you want, like if you want to have a sweet treat at a cafe, do that. But personally, some days I'm like, I'd rather have my chia seed pudding. I just got a really nice package, so I thought we'll open it together. My mom wanted me to film her making dinner, so let's go do that first. Foreste tara. So first you saute the onions. Here we have the celery and the meat. I think it's lamb meat, yeah. I ordered a bunch of wellness products for like both snacks and supplements. Just gonna make you guys straighter. So I got some cacao nibs. I don't know if it's focusing, but this is something I put in my bowls. I put in desserts when you make like chocolate bars and stuff like that. They are really nutritious. They help with, like, instead of eating a lot of chocolate on my period, I just put this in everything I eat. You can put them in smoothies, you can put them in bowls, or even like sprinkle over a salad. And next up, I bought these Dave and John's dates, but they have like candy, like a taste of candy. They look like this. So I just thought that this would be like a nice snack, you know, like when you're craving candy, but I don't really like the normal candy. I like it to be some health benefit to it. I don't know. That's just my preference. And then I got some pumpkin seeds because I put pumpkin. I cannot say pumpkin seeds. I put pumpkin seeds in literally everything that I eat. Like when I have dinner, lunch, breakfast, it has so many health benefits, and it's just something I feel like everyone should add to their diet, unless you're like allergic. And then I got some cookies. I got 2 different types of cookies. So one is with coconut. I love everything that has coconut in it. And this one has really like clean ingredients. There's no sugar. I think it's just coconut, oats, and almonds and salt. So that's really nice. And this one is a no-bake hazelnut dark chocolate cookie. And oh, I wanted to talk about the supplement. So this is a PMS balance, and it has Dong Quai, salvia, vitamin B, and chrome, and also I think it's called primrose oil, if I'm not wrong. And you're supposed to take 3 of these a day. I just took an everything shower. It's Sunday, you know the drill. I did a gym session. I ran and I did some upper body. And one thing about me when it comes to hydration, I don't drink cold water anymore, so I always heat it up to like 50 degrees. We have like, I'm gonna show you. We have this where you can choose the temperature of your water, and I absolutely love it. I think I drink about 3 to 4 of these each day, so I really recommend getting a bigger flask so it's easier to meet your hydration goals. I just got my face threaded, did my eyebrows, and I'm gonna wash my face, and I wanted to show you guys my skincare. It's really simple but effective. I start with washing my face with this CeraVe foaming cleanser, and I always use these separate washcloths for my face. Always dab, don't rub. You don't have to fully dry your face. It's okay to have a little moisture for when you put your skincare. Next step, I go in with a face mist. I love this rose water from Mario Badescu. My favorite serum is this retinol from La Roche-Posay. I use it 1 to 2 times a day, but I'm not gonna use it right now because I just threaded my face and my face tends to be sensitive. So I'm just gonna go in with my face cream and my homemade face oil with saffron that I absolutely love. I mix those 2 together and then just put it on my face. I don't use an eye cream. I just put the rest of the cream that's on my hands. Like I dab it under my eyes and under my eyebrows. Do a little face massage. Last step is just something to moisturize my lips. I always use Vaseline, and I always wipe it off on my eyebrows. Actually, when I got a facial, she did this like scan on my face, and she said that I was very dry under my eyebrows, and she said that I should like always put something under them, and That's a tip because it's a very sensitive area, so you don't want to forget that. And that's my skincare. I let this soak in and then I do some sunscreen as well, and then I'm done.